I'm honored and privileged and thrilled to be here to share with you. As I've been presented, I'm working doing research on project management. I think the link between project management and innovation is very important because creativity leads to innovation, as it has been said. And to operationalize, to do those things, we need project management. So that is my specialty. I was here 30 years ago in Varanasi, in India, and I came back this year with my wife, Elena, and we're here for 3 months. And I'm expecting to share and to learn about the Indian way of project management. So I'll talk to you about project management. I think that there is much to learn between, and much to exchange between North American or European way of doing things and the Indian way. As I learned, the Indian way is the corporate and the big companies takes social responsibility, are concerned with stakeholders. And on the contrary, in North America, many times shareholders are taking all the scene, and stakeholders are not as much as they should be. We're not concerned enough with this. So I think the Indian way is also, like Mr. Mishra just said, the opportunity of the HR, the human resource, and bringing from inside the corporation, growing from inside, and training the people from inside instead of merging from other companies, I think is also something of the Indian way that we have to learn in North America. So I think this forum is extraordinary for me because I have the opportunity to exchange. As you see, I'm coming from the French part of Canada, Montreal, so usually I speak French. My English is not perfect. This afternoon I will talk about a very large research project. We are 12 people dedicated to project management in Montreal. We are the largest research group in project management. We publish a lot. We have a lot of subsidy from everywhere. I'm leading a project, research on project management. I'm interested on what people do every day. So I'm trying to build theory from the base, learning what people do every day. So we built a huge database about what people do. We've been in China. We compare the practice of project management in China, compare it to North America or Europe. We've done the same thing with Japan, and I'm looking forward to do the same thing with India. So I expect maybe to have very good exchange about this with you all, and I'll talk more about this afternoon. I want to. I'm very thankful to SMS Varanasi to invite me, and I wish you a very good forum for those 2 days. Thank you very much.